The My Life section of IIMAGINE is where you tell Cortex what's going on in your life and what matters most. The simplest way to do this is to just chat with Cortex. But if you want a more organized and structured method for giving Cortex important information, you can do it in the My Life section. A module in the My Life section is just a goal or objective. It can relate to anything in your work or personal life. Click New Module. The title is the only required field. The rest are optional, but we strongly suggest entering some brief points for each of them. This will help you because you will end up using best practices for setting goals, and that will increase your chances of achieving them. It will also make this information available to Cortex, and that means it can use the extra context to give you better advice about how to achieve the goal. Let's use a simple weight loss example where I want to reduce my body fat from 20% to 18%. I'll leave the category as personal. I'll use the slider to set the priority to 7. I want this goal to be achieved by June 30th, 2026. My current status is 20% body fat. My objective is 18% body fat. Now I'll enter some information about challenges and enablers. Challenges are things that make it more difficult to achieve the objective. For this example, I'll enter, I have limited time. I have a knee injury that prevents high-impact activity. Enablers are things that make it easier to achieve the objective. For this example, I'll say, I have a gym membership. I'm prepared to pay for a personal trainer. When you're happy with everything, click Add Module. After adding several modules, you will see the highest priority modules at the top. You can edit any of them anytime. And remember that Cortex can create these modules for you by giving it an instruction like, create a module in My Life for lowering my body fat from 20% to 18%. You also have the option of not creating any My Life modules. You can just say something like this to Cortex. I've decided that I want to lower my body fat from 20% to 18%. Remember this for later. You can be as structured or unstructured as you like. It's completely up to you. It's also important to note that this is not just for major goals. It can be used for small goals for each week, and you can create hundreds of them. Just add them whenever they occur to you. This will build valuable context over time. You can also control your data from the My Life section. Click My Data. This will list the data you provided over the last 90 days. You can delete any data for any reason. Keep in mind that deleting data will remove it from the context Cortex uses to respond. You can click Visual to see a visual version of your data.